how to find new cryptocurrencies at an early age. This platform right here is one of the platforms that you can use to see cryptocurrencies that just launched within few seconds ago, to be able to get into it as early enough. So if you're a person who is actually interested in locating new cryptocurrencies, maybe you want to use it for pump or dump, or you want to use it for any other kind of investment that you're interested in, or you just want to know the new cryptocurrencies that's out there in the market, then this platform is something you can actually use to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what you need to do in this particular platform on how to be able to locate cryptocurrencies that are launching in Solana or Ethereum blockchain. So anyone I want to use is completely good. I can see they are all launching in real time. So quickly, let's go ahead and see how this works. So the very first thing you need to do is go ahead and get into this platform. It's called Dex Screener. It's completely free to use. And you can get this by downloading the app from your App Store or your Play Store, or simply go to your browser and type in dexscreener.com. You can also go ahead and check the link that is going to be posted in the description of this video for you to get access to it, okay? So one of the things you need to do right now is, once you've already signed up into the platform, not necessarily sign up, you can go ahead and visit it as a guest if you want to. And you can see over here at the left side of the screen, we basically have different assets you can, different networks you can get it right here. So we have Solana, or we have Ethereum. We also have BSC, and we also have Polygon right here, and tons of them right here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose on Ethereum, and quickly it's going to change the whole tokens we have over here. Now, most of the tokens over here are known as meme coins. So they are not really actual coins, but they are meme coins being built under something. So this set of coins are coins that people can create within a few minutes, and it can serve different purposes, just like the actual coin can serve different purposes. So some coins can be, let's say, it can be politically motivated. It can be something that, like an event that's going on, and it's growing attention, and people want to know more about their attention. Most of the time, these things you see drive the prosperity of a particular token at a time. Now, let's see exactly what you need to do. So now you've come over to the Ethereum space and want to know the coins that have been launched within the past 1 hour. Now, what you have to do is very simple. Just simply go ahead and click on the new pair. You can find the new pair right here. Over here, just go ahead and click on this right here. So once you've clicked on the new pair right here, it's going to go ahead and bring you over to the newly listed tokens. Because over here. So this particular one is on the Solana, so make sure it's still on the Ethereum blockchain, right? So go ahead and click on the new pair, and it brings us over here. So you can see all of these coins over here are the newly listed tokens in Ethereum. So you can see their current age, the time that they have been created, and stuff like that. So you can see the ages right here, and so on and so forth, right? So it's actually up to you to decide, how new do you want to go for, and something like that, okay? So have some listed for 6 hours, some have been listed for 4 hours ago, some have been listed for up to 23 hours ago. You can also go ahead and filter this by gainers if you want to. And you can see over here it's being filtered by gainers. Now, quickly, let's go into something like Polygon and see what we have over here in Polygon. So you can see over here that these are also cryptocurrencies that have been listed in polygons over here. So this is basically how you can go ahead and use this particular platform to browse for newly listed tokens that you want to buy, or you want to create your own under, right? So just same thing, just like I did the other time, go ahead and go to the newest. It's going to show you every single token that's been created in the newest. You can also change this to 24 hours and see the tokens that have been created for the past 24 hours. You can also change this to the top gainers in the past 1 hour. It's going to show you exactly the tokens that are doing well within the past 1 hour. And you can also change that to 5 minutes if you want to, right? So to show you the tokens that are doing well within the past 5 minutes, and so on and so forth. Now, I actually want to let you know something before I move on, because this is actually a financial stuff and it has to do with a lot of money most of the time. You can see over here that the current 24 hours volume of this particular platform alone is currently about $2.37 billion. This is to show that a lot of money is moving through here. So it's very important for me to let you know this before you go ahead and continue. If your purpose of using this particular platform is to look for new coins to buy and make money off of, then you need to be very careful. You need to do proper researches, because there are a lot of tokens that are not really going to give you money. Some of the coins over here you see are people who are just looking for how to do what is called pump and dump. So basically, they want to take your money and they dump the cryptocurrency. So you have to be very careful. Not everybody, obviously. You have to do proper researches. If you want, you can also do way more researches on this and how to locate proper cryptocurrencies. All you have to do is go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section telling me that you're actually interested in knowing how to locate actual proper cryptocurrencies, so I can actually move into it and get you started, so you can be able to save your money and only invest in the right coins. At least get you get up to 80% certain that this is the right coin you're investing into. Whether it makes money or not depends on the token background entirely. So this is basically what you have to cover in this video. Don't forget, the name of the platform is called Dex Creator, and do make sure to let me know what you think in the comment section. I will see you in the next one.